This is a crustless pizza, so it's keto friendly and it's also vegan. One of them. It's actually lower in protein because there's no crust. So, and the crust is where we have a problem also. So I'm gonna add in, this is pizza sauce, and I'm using the Prego homemade style pizza sauce. And I have the scale zeroed out before I started. So we are now at 204 of the Chao also. This is their creamy original. Chao does have some soy in it. Next, we'll move over to, this is a Mexican style blend. And with the cheese, we're now up to 343 grams. So if you're doing math as we go along. Right now, I'm adding in, this is the Mexican blend Chao. So we get these totals from How Much Fee, which is a program designed for PKU. They have a problem with a different amino acid than homocystinuria. Phenylalanine is their problem, ours is methionine. So now we're up to 459 on the weight. Daya cheddar cutting board cheese. Okay, there's the cheese. We are now up to 526 grams. So, on the weight. Now, this is 21 grams of the mushrooms. And this one is a Chao pepperoni also. I'm probably going to add in about 6 slices. So, total weight on this is 567 with everything on there. Sticking this in the oven at 425 for about 10 minutes until the cheeses melt, and then it's ready to go. And thank you. If you like the videos, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you for your time.